Hi friends, welcome back to Navin Studio. In today's session we are going to draw a simple duck picture. I hope this video will helpful for beginners. Thank you for watching. Let's go to video. First step, draw a circle. Leave it some gap and draw a oval shape. Approximately draw. Then so here and there you adjust and draw. So you draw here like this. Okay, in front side you want to draw this bend important. So then unwanted lines you want to erase. Okay. Then one more part like same you draw. Then you want to draw a beak. You make a triangle part from here. Okay. Then from here you draw one more line, undo. You make a hole there. Then top side you erase and draw a hair. Draw a circle for eyes. Then one more. Then wings want to draw from here. So like short leg, you want to draw a short leg, back side one, then front side, that's all. Then one more leg want to draw, like walking also can do, otherwise draw one more leg.